Have you ever looked at your hands and wondered why we have 5 fingers? What's so special about the number 5? A question that might have crossed your mind as you stretched out your hand examining each digit. It's not just us humans, but many animals also share this commonality of 5 digits. It's a fascinating pattern, isn't it? This 5-finger mystery has intrigued scientists and thinkers for centuries. Some have suggested it's just a random choice of nature, while others believe there must be a significant reason behind it. Is it about functionality, balance, or something else? One possible answer to this puzzle comes from a concept we're all familiar with: evolution. Yes, the process that has shaped life on Earth for billions of years might hold the key to our 5-fingered conundrum. So, if you're looking for the answer, you might need to look back, way back. It turns out the answer lies not in our present, but in our distant past, in the evolution of our species. The reason we have 5 fingers has more to do with what was beneficial for our early ancestors than what would be useful for us today. Our story begins millions of years ago, with our distant ancestors, the early tetrapods. These creatures evolved from fish with fins to become land-dwelling animals with limbs. Imagine, if you will, these first tetrapods venturing out onto the land. They had numerous digits on their limbs, a remnant from their fish-like ancestors. However, as they adapted to different environments and lifestyles, changes began to occur. Over a vast stretches of time, the number of digits began to decrease. Why, you might ask? Well, it turns out 5 digits provided an optimal balance between the complexity of movement and structural strength. These 5 digits allowed our ancestors to climb, grasp, dig, and eventually craft tools, all key to our survival and progression. So, our 5 fingers are a historical legacy, a story written in our genes about our ancient ancestors' journey from water to land. But why exactly 5? Why not 4 or 6? This is where genetics comes into play. You see, within our DNA, there's a group of genes known as Hox genes. These little genetic maestros conduct the orchestra of our development, dictating the layout of our bodies, right down to the number of digits on our hands and feet. When it comes to fingers, Hox genes are the ones calling the shots. They determine the number of digits we develop in the womb, but they're not infallible. Changes or mutations in these genes can sometimes result in different numbers of fingers or toes. However, these variations are usually disadvantageous. They might make gripping harder or walking less efficient. And so, over countless generations, these less beneficial traits aren't often preserved by evolution. So, our 5 fingers are not just a random choice, but a carefully calibrated result of evolution and genetics. So, the next time you look at your hand, you're not just looking at a part of your body. You're looking at a piece of evolutionary history. In the saga of our existence, our 5-fingered hands have played a pivotal role. From our early ancestors, the tetrapods, who first sported a similar digit configuration, we've inherited this crucial characteristic. Yet, it wasn't just about heredity, but also about advantage. Our 5 fingers, with their remarkable dexterity and adaptability, were a boon to our survival, helping us to manipulate our environment and fashion tools. Genetics, too, had its say in this matter. Our DNA, with its intricate play of genes, determined this 5-digit blueprint, a design so successful that nature saw fit to preserve it through millions of years of evolution. In the grand scheme of evolution and genetics, 5 wasn't just a choice, it was the winning number. So cherish your hands, for they are a testament to our species' incredible journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more such fascinating facts. Thank you for watching.